there, guys, down here at the nuclear plant. Got this nice little catfish here. It's my first fish in like 2 fucking weeks. Excuse me. Hi y'all, down here at the nuclear plant. Nice little catfish right here. It's my first fish in like 2 weeks. It's fun. I'm freezing to death, but I'm gonna throw some more bait back out there and see if I can't get some more. Thanks for watching, y'all. Out here at the nuke plant, check out what we got cooking. Of course, you don't really know what it is, but it's bear burgers. Never had bear before. It's cold. That looks warm and tasty, so I bet it's gonna be awesome. So, yeah. Got them doubled up down here at the nuke plant. Skipjack catching blue cats. This one here on the right hand side seems to be a pretty big fish. Oh. Hi y'all, still down here doing the thing, you know. Let me turn the camera around here. Yeah, nice fish right there. Not too bad, probably 3.5 pounder. Down here at the nuclear plant, trying to tear them up, having fun. I've caught 2 catfish and a striper, so been having fun. We got a cooler full, working on another one. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna get back at it. Another nice fish on up here at the nuclear plant. About 10 o'clock and about 20 degrees. Surprised the camera ain't shaking. Walking down the rocks here, got a pretty decent little fish. Hopefully I don't drop this here phone in the water or fall in like I just did a minute ago. I actually didn't fall. I jumped in after a fish. This thing, what the hell? His mouth is tied shut. All right, y'all, hold on. I'll get some. Uh-oh. Line just. Work our way on down here. It's a decent catfish right there. Oh. Yep. Nice fish there.
Oh, you get the bite too.
Here. Yeah. Got a nice striper down here, fishing from the bank, using cut skipjack, middle of the night. Look at this thing. Really nice fish, y'all. If you haven't tried to catch these stripers from the bank, you should really come down here and try it. Thanks for watching. There's cooler number 1. And there's cooler number 2 right there. We're killing them, folks. Check out this. We doubled up. This is like the 4th time tonight. Been Catching some pretty nice fish down here. Well, there it is, folks. It's snowing down here at the nuclear plant. We're catching catfish and stripers from the bank. It's after midnight. We're frozen. Got icicles hanging from our nose, but we're still fishing. Y'all have a great night.
There you go.
How's it going, y'all? Hope you can see that fish all right. Another nice catfish down here. It's 1:30 in the morning. We're still killing them. Got 2 ice chests full. We got so many, we're just throwing them on the ground at this point. Y'all have a good night. Another nice catfish here. You know, at this place still. Now it's 2:30 in the morning. I don't know if you can see them laying on the ground up there, but yeah. Well, still down here at the nuclear plant. Got me a nice 12.5 pound blue catfish. Using a cut skipjack. Look at this dude. Yeah. Pretty happy. Having a real good night. We have over 100 pounds of catfish tonight between the 3 of us. We got ice chest over full, fish laying all over the ground. Look at all these catfish, y'all. We done caught so many we had to just start throwing them on the ground. Say hi. Yeah, been having lots of fun with these guys right back here at that place back there. And we're just about as frozen as these popsicles right here. You see them sliding? Yeah.